for each of us it may be really serious. So all of our goals are actually in a very low level. Our purpose, our understanding about our life, it's all in just in the first plane of this matrix. Superconscious breakthrough is nothing but awakening that consciousness in you, where you realize your life itself is not just for you to have a good body, it's not just for you to earn good wealth and build a bungalow, but ultimately the very purpose of your life is enlightenment, realizing you are Paramashiva. So let us see how Swamiji is giving us this superconscious breakthrough.
Well, Swamiji has been giving us, especially as we both are Kailavasis over here and living in the Nityananda Gurukul, it's such a beautiful ecosystem that Swamiji provides for us to realize this enlightenment consciousness of ours. Starting from the daily morning routine, it's so intense, and just 4 to 5 hours with ourselves keeps us so active and engaged in life throughout the day. Starting with waking up at around 3:30, taking a bath and coming for yoga, taking yoga as a ritual, not just something to make your body fit or make your body look more better, but in fact to make it a channel for Paramashiva to just flow through. Next is puja, the sacred worship towards our beloved Guru Swamiji. And when we offer puja, that time we're feeling connection. Literally, Swamiji says that whenever you do puja, it is like having a personal call with me. So any desire, any wish that we want to fulfill, we just ask at that time and literally create the intention of our day during the sankalpa of the puja. After that, we have the grand Nitya Satsang, which Swamiji literally fills us with his truths and fills us with the knowledge that we need to have to run our day as Paramashiva himself. As one point that really clicked me in yesterday's satsang was that just declare that you are enlightened and leave the rest to me. Declare on Facebook and declare everywhere that you are enlightened, and if anyone has any questions, ask my Guru, Swamiji. So, literally when during yoga, your body gets chiseled to become the vessel. During puja, you get filled with a deep devotion and gratitude towards the Guru. And during satsang, literally you become such a beautiful earthen pot for the water to just stay in and let it cool down inside you. Literally Nitya Satsang is like rapid fire heat, like literally just rapid fire truths just thrown at you. And cognitions which just like break your old ones and manifest new cognitions and new powers in your life. So literally when they're just put inside you, when you are that beautiful earthen pot that has done the Nityananda yoga and the puja authentically and integratedly, you will just like that allow the whole water to cool down inside you and settle down. So when you start enriching others, when anyone takes water from that earthen pot after some time, literally they get cool water for themselves to get cooled down and for them to feel that same oneness and feeling connection with Swamiji. So in this, it's a beautiful way which Swamiji has built this enlightenment ecosystem where most of us feel like so joyous and so blissful, but at the same time, we're proceeding more and more further towards enlightenment.
Actually, if you see, like the way she explained it, it is just as it is. Like, that is how our lifestyle itself is. It's not like, one or the day will become like that. But actually, our whole day is designed in such a way that we become Paramashiva. Everything that we do, even if it is like, doing our own work, it is again from the cognition that we are Paramashiva. So, like, I'll have to increase the amount of work that I'm doing, or I'll just keep challenging myself on how much I'm doing today, how much I'll do tomorrow. So, it's the very lifestyle is designed in such a way that each of us will experience this super conscious breakthrough. But you may be wondering, how about all the successful people in the outer world? Are they also experiencing the same super conscious breakthrough? Well, they are just doing, you can say, with whatever cognitions they're having, with whatever understanding they're having, they are doing their best. But understand, superconscious breakthrough is beyond that. It's beyond this desires to get success or get name or get fame. The ultimate real success, the ultimate real superconscious breakthrough is living, radiating, and expressing the space, state, and powers of Paramashiva. Power manifestation is literally a lifestyle here. Everything that we do, even during puja, directly offering the Naivedyam to the god and Swamiji just eats it. Even that is like an expression of a power manifestation. During yoga, just like that, being able to bend your body the way you want and climbing on the rope, climbing on the pole and doing the yoga, performing it just by expressing the Shakti, where you can command your body to do anything that you want. So like this, our whole lifestyle is designed in such a way, full of power manifestation, such that we realize we are Paramashiva. And this is a super conscious breakthrough that Swamiji is giving the entire universe. See how exactly this power manifestation is happening. We might be thinking, okay, maybe we'll have to do a lot of meditation, a lot of tapas, but nothing like that. Now let us see how this science of power manifestation actually happens and expresses through us.
So, actually, to be honest, this science of power manifestation, as many power manifestors would have told many times, that it's
exactly this
not
power
them that
manifestation
does the
happens?
power, but actually Swamiji flows
might be
through
thinking,
them and power in front of